Welcome to the hydraulic press channel. Today we are going to crush this small fire extinguisher. It is going to be quite a blast and afterwards lot of cleaning for us. Let's see. Turns out that there isn't any foam inside of this extinguisher. It somehow turns into foam when leaving the bottle, and also we thought that it would explode this way. So that wasn't so nice that I had hope, but we have maybe something extra coming still. Somebody has built this small house inside our hydraulic press. I hope that it doesn't get on fire now when we just crushed our only extinguisher. Oh my god! The house somehow self-ignited and it's now on fire. We have the house on fire and we have no fire extinguisher, so I must put the fire out using my press. Going to save the house. Yes, the hydraulic press saved the house from burning down. Yeah, I think that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. And for today's extra content, we have this extremely dangerous cat. It looks very much like our own cat, but it's much more dangerous, so we must deal with it.